Hey everyone, we are having someone come over today and take a look at our camper, and it looks as though it is going to be sold. So we're just over here making sure the tires are pumped up and everything's in good working order, as it's got a little bit of a drive to take. And you know, we just wanted to say farewell.
He's coming from Tucson.
Yes.
He's coming from Tucson, so it's like 2.5 hours away. Just want to make sure the tires are where they need to be so he can get home safe. Because that's a pretty long drive. So yeah, this is the end of this journey. We did it for a handful of months, and it just, in Arizona, it's just so hot to try to maintain it, and to try to live in a camper, like your ACs, your refrigerators, it's just really hard to keep up. So
Not to mention, we're pretty tall people, and it was a little claustrophobic. We're glad we did it, and we can appreciate it, and now it's time to move on, and of course,
get something smaller that we can just go on trips with.
Right, long weekend trips. Yeah, pardon the air compressor noise. As we were saying, it's generally very sunny and hot in Arizona, and right as we're about to have the guy come and take a look at the camper and buy it, it's gonna rain. So that's a thrill. So I'll take you into the camper since Andy's making noise. We've got everything cleaned out. Everything's looking nice. And everything's on and working. The TV, the AC, the refrigerator. You know, everything's in tip-top shape. And it's ready to meet its new owner. The guy's pretty excited, so looking forward to meeting them and making sure.
Tell me he was gonna come here and we're going to RV Resort. I was like, oh, only a nice old, like, retired couple.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got you. Right on.
For the new owner. He's gonna have a lot of fun. You can get used to the camper. It's a cool day. Adios.
It's kind of sad.
Yeah, it is sad.